Hey, good morning. Okay. Today I'm going to share you something interesting about aquarium fish tank. Fish equals to water. Okay. Step 1. What is water? Water is the water that's coming out from our water tap. Our water tap water contains heavy metal and chlorine inside, and fluorine. This is good for human consumption because it kills bacteria inside, but it's not safe for fish to survive. Fish don't like chlorine. Fish don't like heavy metal. Therefore, we need to start preparing water for the fish tank. How to prepare water for fish tank? Okay. Number 1, remove chlorine and heavy metal so that fish can survive in the water. That's all. By doing so, you can either age the water and put air inside to circulate the water, or you can do number 2, put water conditioner. That's number 1. Okay. Water conditioner is actually also known as anti-chlorine. What is water conditioner? This is called water conditioner. Okay. I will share more about this water conditioner later part. Okay. So step 1, water conditioner. That's a very important part. To remove heavy metal and chlorine inside the water, and fluorine too. This is good. Okay. You know this is good. Any brand is possible. Doesn't need to be this Fua brand. Any brand is possible. Okay. Step 2, you need to see what the fish like, a suitable home for them. Water without chlorine and heavy metal is first part suitable for the fish. Second part, you need a conducive environment for them. What do you mean by conducive environment? Okay. Firstly, when you put fish inside the tank, fish will start to swim. You need to feed them. When you feed them, they eat the food, they digest in their body, and they produce waste. Fish waste is toxic to the fish. Same as human waste is toxic to us. So imagine you are in the toilet, you are doing your business in the toilet. So the waste that's coming out is toxic to us. So we need to remove the toxic by flushing off. But in the fish tank, you can't flush off. Even you got a filter here, like mine, you can't flush off. It's still inside the tank. So the smell will still come out from the fish tank and go to your fish. Therefore, you need something to remove it. This is called bacteria. Bacteria will enter and decompose the waste. Okay. So when the food waste is decomposed, it also produces another smell come out. This smell, this waste is also no good for the fish also. It become poison. So how do we solve this problem? Okay. Step 1, when you have something decomposed inside, smell will come out. It's called ammonia. This ammonia, how the food become ammonia is because bacteria come inside and enter the food. Example was you left your food or your fruits outside. A few days later it become rotten. Why it become rotten is because of bacteria entering and attack the food. So it becomes smelly. So the smell is still inside the water. Okay. Step 2, so this bacteria will eat the food, the waste. So it become ammonia. When it become ammonia, also very toxic in the environment. So ammonia, then you need this bacteria to eat the ammonia, and the bacteria will start to grow and become nitrite. After nitrite already, another bacteria will come and eat again. This is called bacteria number 2. It will come and eat the food. Eat the whatever food you have, whatever smell you have, they will just eat, become nitrate. Nitrate is the final part where first bacteria and second bacteria done their job to become nitrate, which is safe for fish. But too high also not safe. I will share more what is called high in the future video. Okay? So you need to remove water. Like I said, you need bacteria 1 and bacteria 2 to survive. Where to get bacteria 1 and 2? That's a question I need to ask. Bacteria don't come overnight. Like your food, your apple, your vegetable all decompose in room temperature. It takes a few days, months to decompose. If given the suitable environment like hot and humid weather. Same for the tank, you also need time to grow. So to wait for a fish tank, you put in fish, the waste come out, the bacteria will grow. So you need times for the bacteria to grow. By the time the bacteria haven't even grow, the fish will be suffering poison, ammonia poison, too toxic, they cannot stay, they will die off. So first thing is do a fishless cycling. Means no fish inside. You put fish food or any meat also can, fish food, something, so that this thing will decompose in the water, no fish inside, you can just wait for the bacteria to eat, to produce first bacteria. Then that second bacteria will come and eat again, it becomes nitrate. Finally it becomes nitrite. Nitrite is the safest, right? Safest. So that you have nitrite, you're okay. All this, how do you know? I will share you future about test kit to test all these things. This is my future video. Okay. So all these things take time. Average you take around 4 to 6 weeks for you to move. So people say, push bacteria is from the air. They will enter the water and go inside. So it will take some time to go. For fish keeper, they don't wait. They use, they buy ready-made bacteria inside. So they pour the bacteria inside, they just need to feed the bacteria only. Bacteria already enter by liquid form. But for us, the easy way is leave it in the tank for 4 to 6 weeks. Turn on the filter, put the fish food, and let it run normally. But there's no fish. 4 to 6 weeks later, you do a water test. Every day you put fish food. Put 3, 4, 5 pinch of fish food so that the bacteria can eat. The more food you put, the more bacteria will enter to decompose the food. Then you will take longer time. Don't put too much food inside. Don't one time pour one full cup of food inside, hoping that bacteria will go very fast. No. The water will become very smelly and cloudy, but bacteria will just take some time. So for all this food to disappear, to fully decompose, you will need more time. So you put a bit of fish food. A bit, day in, every day put a bit, you wait. Okay, 1 week, 2 weeks, you see the fish food. The fish food totally disappear, good for you. The fish food still there, you wait for a while, let the bacteria eat. Because bacteria are not visible in our naked eyes, we can't see. So we don't know how much bacteria are there on the surface of the fish food. Therefore we do it this way. Some people do fish cycling, means they put some fish inside, hardy fish, to produce waste. I don't recommend this. I really recommend fish food. Put in, let the bacteria eat the fish food. Okay? So first, just now I just said something. Water, make it suitable for them. I summarize, water suitable. Our water contains heavy metal and chlorine, suitable for human consumption, but not suitable for fish. So you put anti-chlorine. But for your new fish tank, you don't need to put anti-chlorine because no fish inside. So you just need to put acetone and make it circular. Chlorine will evaporate over time. Okay? Over time, based on the bubble, the aeration here, the water will evaporate. That's all. Next, we need to find bacteria. Bacteria will also introduce and enter the fish tank if you give it time. Time is the question. 4 to 6 weeks. If you want fast, you buy this. I will share more about how to use how to introduce beneficial bacteria, good bacteria inside the fish tank to cycle the tank faster. Okay. Meanwhile, you need to take 4 to 6 weeks. Get a tank, put your acetone, filter, buy an air pump, circulate the water for 4 to 6 weeks. Every day put fish food, you will solve the problem. That's all. If you're not sure, you comment below my comment. Ask me. I will tell you detail about ammonia, nitrate and nitrite. If you need more information, I will share you videos or picture about this. Comment below to ask for more information. Next video, I will share you more detail about all this water and everything. So comment below to ask me more questions. You can even ask me technical question. I will try my best to answer for you and make another video update for you. Okay, thank you so much.